iPhone X review. Finally, the rebooted iPhone we've been waiting for. The iPhone X is the huge leap forward that Apple's handsets needed after 10 years, and it's even better in 2019 thanks to its iOS 12 update. Aside from the original iPhone in 2007, this iPhone is having the biggest impact on Apple's smartphone direction ever. Update: the iPhone X has been updated to iOS 12.1.3, but it has also been superseded by the iPhone XS. We've updated this review accordingly. See all Apple iPhone X deals. Apple itself is calling it the future of the smartphone, the embodiment of what it's been trying to achieve for a decade. But while the iPhone X is all about premium parts and an all-new experience, it's a huge gamble for the Cupertino brand too, as it tries to reclaim some leadership in smartphone innovation. Losing known, reliable elements like the Touch ID fingerprint scanner, the home button, introducing new methods of navigating and unlocking the phone, and charging a lot more for the privilege seems risky for a company that was already treading new ground by doing away with the traditional headphone jack. But the iPhone X is the handset we've been demanding from Apple for years, a world away from the increasingly tired designs that those who just want a new iPhone have had to make do with. The fervor around this phone tells that story. Everyone wants to know if the iPhone X is worth having, partly because it actually represents a new iPhone, and that fervor is such that they don't seem to care about the cost. So, is the iPhone X worth having? Will it change the direction of an industry where many of the specs Apple has put in fast charging, wireless charging, bezel-less displays and face recognition are already on the market? We've had the iPhone X in our grasp for over a year now, and it's easily one of the best smartphones around.